Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at a nifty accessory from Husky Liners on the Ram 1500 Keys to Ride truck. The gearbox from Husky Liners is custom designed to mount and fit just under the seat of this Ram 1500. Depending on your application, the gearbox might also mount behind the seat. It's constructed of a super durable rubber plastic blend that is resistant to impacts, heat, and most chemicals. The material and texture of this product minimizes cargo shifting, and gearbox helps you get organized and utilize unused space in your truck. It's great for keeping tools, paperwork, auto care items, and other miscellaneous things you don't want just rolling around in the floorboard of your truck. Overall, gearbox is such a quick and easy solution for creating more storage in your truck. Installation is super straightforward, so we rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 20 minutes. Gearbox from Husky Liners is made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase the gearbox for your truck, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below because we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.